Attempt number 3 at trying to feed this bird. He's been squeaking. I know he's hungry. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're thirsty. You're thirsty. That's what you want. Oh, he's drinking. He's drinking.
Well, that's good.
Oh, he's drinking. Look, he's drinking.
You got... I was gonna say, do you got one of those little... Like those little, you know, the little...
Look, he's drinking.
I'm
gonna save this fucker.
You need one of those little squeeze bottles. You know,
Yeah, buddy.
Like little depressors. You know what I'm talking about, the little squeeze bottle
Yeah.
things? That's what you need.
Look. Look, he's drinking. Ah!
Try and soak the Oreo on it.
Fuck yeah! Alright, now he wants the Oreo. Or the Cheerio. Alright. Hold on, buddy, hold on. Here you go. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Come on. Fuck.
I'm gonna laugh when he bites you.
He ain't biting
You
me.
can get bird flu.
I'm just gonna drop it in his mouth. Oh, eat it! It's around his beak.
He's like, bitch, I can't get my mouth open.
Oh, wait. Now it's stuck. Sorry, buddy. Hold on, I got you. Oh, he ate it. Woo! Yeah, that's a fucking Cheerio for you.
You want me to go to the store get you a cage for your new pet bird?
Alright, eat the other one. Come on.
I got 2 cats here licking their chops right now.
You want the other one, buddy? You want the other one? Alright. So he drank and had 1 Cheerio. Success for now.